Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
We brought an application for bail on behalf of Honorable Richard Chimwendo Banda, and this application was scheduled for hearing today at 11 a.m. But the judge was busy today, and as you might have seen, so we started hearing the matter at 1 p.m. This afternoon. So before we started presenting our application, the state had their preliminary application. They applied that they would want the matter adjourned because they have not filed their response. We objected to the application. However, the judge has directed that the matter should be adjourned and it will be heard on Wednesday next week at 10 a.m.
Mm-hmm. Maybe are you satisfied with what is going to do?
No, we do not have any problem because we submitted ourselves to the court. We want to have assistance from the court. So whatever direction we get from the court is satisfactory to us.
What is the status of the MCB secretary? Is he still under arrest or what is happening?
He's still on remand, but currently he's receiving medical care because he's very unwell.
The court also, you sought some clarification regarding the status. Maybe just brief us, what was that bit that you wanted from to hear from the judge?
All right, since our client is in the hospital, the direction that the court made at the end was that our client should remain in custody. So I wanted the court to clarify, and the clarification has been given that as long as he is unwell, he has to still be in the hospital. So that's a clarification that the court has given us.
Finally, yesterday, on Wednesday, you went some tests. Maybe have you been informed of the results, but also those results submitted to the state?
No, not yet. The results are not yet out. Some tests were being done just yesterday, so we are still waiting for the results.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.